There we go.
Uh-huh.
It's a lot better. Amber, you with me?
Yes.
Okay, how are you feeling?
Bad taste in my mouth.
Okay, well, we can get this suction machine out of here now because you're talking to me, so that's good. You're gonna keep the blanket around you. Do you know what happened to you?
I was chasing Joe.
Okay. Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get onto the spinal board here. So, got the blanket with it too, so you're gonna stay warm. We'll get you to the hospital and get you checked out, okay? Alright, let's get you moving in 3, 2, 1.
Thank you.
We got her in the end.
Shanghai drowned it.
Shang?
What?
Is that who you said, Shang?
Drowned it. I think he was going to the hospital. Oh,
He's the reason you're chasing your fiance through the city and water. Mind if I hop in?
Yeah, go on.
Oh. We'll let Lily and them know you're gonna be alright.
Did you find Joe?
I'm gonna see if they found Joe.
Okay. Yes, I was thinking both of us thought.
Sorry, mix of headaches and rushing wind. Didn't catch all of that.
Let's see if Dr. Donovan's in. Hello, Abby.
Hello.
Alright, so Ember drowned. I got a thermal blanket around her. She is conscious now. I got the water out of her, but I just want to bring her in and get her checked up.
Hello, Ember.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, they did that for thermal blanket, okay, but you're looking alright.
We lost Joe.